What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is "Police Surprise Girl in Parking Garage," my bad, ends badly. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about.
What's up, man? Why are you acting like this? What's going on?
What's wrong with her?
Is she breathing? Have you guys checked that? Okay. Okay. Hello. Can you sit up for me? What's your name? Oh, do you know her?
Yes.
Okay. How do you know her?
Friend.
Okay. Friend as in, like, are you guys in a relationship or is she just a friend?
Friend.
Okay. So what happened? What happened to her?
My car was right here. I put it in the parking. My car is gone. So I'm trying to.
Your car's gone? What car do you drive? And you're positive it was this parking lot?
Yes.
What's her name?
Bella.
Okay, what's your name? Do you have ID on you?
Kevin.
Do you have ID on you?
Yes.
Can you hand it to me?
No.
What was that?
No.
Why not?
Can you ask me why?
Yeah, because I'm trying to help her, and if I need to ask questions or can call you after, then I'll help. What's up, man? Why are you acting like this? What's going on?
You said to help.
You're just acting weird. Yeah, you're acting really weird. You're not giving me anything, like why she's like this.
I don't know why she's like that.
Okay. What happened to you? Why do you have all this stuff on you?
What do I have on?
You have dirt on you.
I don't know. I was sitting right there. I was sitting on the ground.
Okay. And did you touch your face at all?
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe. Look. Right there.
What's her name? What's her name?
Bella.
Bella. Bella.
Annabella.
Annabella.
Bella.
Can you sit up?
Okay, Bella.
Hey. Hey. Can you sit up? Is she just drunk? Did she take any drugs?
She's drunk.
Okay.
She's drunk. I was literally like, I parked my car. I put my thing.
Did she take any drugs tonight?
Now it's like my car's gone.
She's not in trouble if you say yes, but did she take any drugs tonight?
I don't know. My car is gone.
Okay.
I'm just trying to figure out where my car is.
Well, I'm worried about her right now, okay?
That's okay.
Okay? You should be worried about your friend who's laying on the parking garage floor right now, okay?
Am I not here?
You are, but can you help me help her?
All right.
Will she answer you? When's the last time that you were talking to her and she was coherent?
Like 20 minutes ago.
Okay, where were you guys at? Were you at O'Brien's?
I got her and we came over here.
Okay.
The car was gone.
Okay. Annabella.
That's where I'm at.
She's sleeping now. Okay. How are you guys getting home after this? If she doesn't want to go to the hospital.
I was trying to get my car
Okay. You're positive you parked it in this garage?
right here.
What car do you drive?
Chevy Cruze 2014.
What color?
Black.
Okay.
Wrong answer, my boy. How are you guys getting home tonight if she doesn't want to go to the hospital? This motherfucker talking about, I'm trying to get my car. I'm trying to drive. Your ass is drunk, nigga. Your ass is drunk, bro. Look at his eyes. Knock, knock, nobody home. Like, he probably misplaced his car, though. I ain't gonna lie. He's so out of it. He don't know what the hell going on. He don't know if it's Monday or Tuesday.
I legit 1907. Like I can show you the right here. 1907. I was trying to get 54B SOB. I don't know if they towed it. Why would they tow it?
How long has it been parked here?
I paid for like an hour and a half.
Hour and a half? Okay.
I'm maybe like 20 minutes past that.
Okay.
I don't know if it's in the. I don't know if they tow it out of here.
Hey.
I'll get us an Uber home. She okay?
Yeah, she's good. Wake up. Annabelle.
She might be drunk.
Wake up. Can you sit up? Can you sit up so the fire department can check on you in a sec?
She's drunk.
Can you sit up?
Did someone call you over here?
Yes.
Okay.
So were you like walking around because you were looking for your car the whole time? Is that why? Or were you with her the whole time?
I knew where my car was. I was trying to find her, come back here, and when I got here, the car was gone.
Okay.
That's where I was at.
Okay. All right. Do you have anybody else that can pick you guys up or something?
Yeah, Yeah, most likely, yes.
Well, I need somebody that's probably sober because you're also intoxicated, so I don't trust you taking care of her.
I can get someone.
Yeah, I need like a family member or somebody that knows her, roommate, somebody that can watch
I
her.
need to figure out why is my car.
Somebody's looking for her right now.
I need you to wake up.
Annabella, don't do that.
You need to wake up. You're in a parking lot, but you're in a parking lot.
You're good.
I have fire station on me.
You're good.
No,
You're
I'm
good.
Just sit.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Just sit. But you need to wake up.
I just want to
I'm
make sure.
good. I'm good.
You're good.
You're not good. You're passed out in the parking lot.
It's not my heart.
Bro,
No, there's someone here.
bro,
with me.
you're okay. I'm here. I'm right here. Look, the car
You
shit.
wanted to work.
The
You
car
wanted to
shit's
first
gone.
Do you have
Leave
a
me with me.
Do you have like an app that would show your like Apple
Because you
does
wanted
it?
to fuck with me the whole fucking night.
My
You want to come
car
out
is
and piece of
gone.
shit. Get the fuck
Hey.
out of my fucking face.
Stop.
Kevin, get out of my fucking face.
They're here to
Kevin?
check on you. Do you want them to check on you or not?
Get out of my face.
Bella, stop. Do you want them to check on you or not? Because you're just wasting their time at this point.
Cool, you can check me, whatever, why not?
Do you want them to check you?
Check
Or are you just intoxicated and being difficult and don't want to help?
You want to go to the hospital or do you want to have...
No, I don't. I've been to the hospital before. I've been through this shit, bro. I've been through this shit before.
Okay.
Alright?
So here's your option. Find a friend to come get you. Because you're intoxicated, you're passed out in the parking lot.
Okay, well, my friend, I just told him to f off.
Okay, call a friend to have him come
Just sign
here.
a little thing.
Well, then your options go in the hospital.
Why am I leaking out of my bag right now?
No, I think you peed. Yeah.
Just stay on the ground for a second.
on the
Just-
ground.
you don't need to get
Why
up.
am I leaking out of my bag?
Because you probably,
right now?
I think you peed. Or it's, maybe it is your bag.
Pee
I didn't. You
on
did.
me? Did you pee on me? I didn't pee myself. Yes, I do.
Can you call them?
Try to call them and tell them to come pick
I want to
you
be left alone.
up. You can't. You're
I don't like
intoxicated.
all these people on me, bro. This shit's pissing me off right now. I don't like all
Call a
these
friend.
people being called. I mean, I've been through this shit too many times. I've been
Well, if you've been through this and you know the only other
I've
option,
been bankrupted for no fucking reason. I want people to leave me alone.
Okay, we'll call a
Just get out
friend.
of my face.
Call a friend.
Just get out.
Listen, this is the thing, right? If they came together, if they did not come together, cool. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. But if they came together, you know, you being the man in the situation, you can't let her get like this. You shouldn't even be like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, you shouldn't, but he's a little bit more put together than her. You cannot let her over drink like that. Like, that's just a part of being a man. Like, you gotta, you know what I'm saying? You can't let the girl get sloppy drunk. Like, she is sloppy. Like, don't even know what's going on. Waking up, yelling, combative. Like, nah, you gotta have better control over that, man. Cause this is crazy.
My face. I need everyone to get out of my face.
Kevin, does she have a roommate, family, anybody?
Yeah, her brother.
Don't stand next to her. I don't want you standing next to her. Because if she hits you,
I
then
don't want people
it's just
sitting
gonna be
next to
something
me.
else.
I have too many people next
What?
to me right now.
Her brother.
I have
Okay,
too
can
many
you,
people
do you have his phone number?
I don't like this.
Shut up.
I don't like people next to me. I don't care.
Call somebody.
Stop what? Stop
We're gonna
what?
go to the hospital then.
Stop who? Cool. I don't care. At the end of the day. At the end of the day, you're gonna take me where you're gonna take me. Because that's what you want to do. 'Cause you want your money. Leave me alone. Everyone leave me alone right now. Just back up. Just back up. Just back up. I have too many people on me right now. I have really bad anxiety. Alright? And when I have people on me, I don't like it. I don't like when people on me. Alright? I'm being respectful. So at the end of the day, if I was a I'd
He
beat
doesn't
your
have the
ass.
number for the brother.
If I cared enough, I'd beat your ass. So just step away from me now. Step away.
Don't touch
from
him. Don't touch him.
Step away from me.
If you touch him, then you are going to jail. Simple as
But
that.
I'm not going to because I respect.
Okay, if you respect them, then you'll answer their questions, okay?
right.
And you'll go.
Step away from me.
Go to the
If
hospital.
You respect me,
Okay.
If you respect me,
I'll take a step.
you
I'll take a
away
step.
from me. That's all.
All right.
That's all I'm asking. And now I have a stretcher coming out.
Yep.
I've already been through this route. I've already been through this route.
Don't stop.
No, because
Stop.
I'm gonna give.
Stop. This is what I told you. Stop.
I'm okay.
I'm
just
not,
grabbing my
because I'm
phone.
gonna get a.
You're either going with them or you're going with me, okay? Simple as that. I'm not doing this. I'm not playing this game. You can't even walk. You can't control yourself.
Now you see, he's taking my best friend.
Who cares about him? Who cares
That's
about
my
him?
best friend.
Well, your best friend doesn't even want to help you get a ride home, so.
Yeah, no. But you know what? The only person that's giving me a ride home is this right now. And I don't want this right now. I don't want this
So what's
right
this?
now.
What's the solution?
Go home.
Okay.
Go back to your base and leave me the f alone.
So how are you gonna do that? Is somebody at home they can take care of
Leave me
you?
alone. Leave me alone.
All right, come on. We're not playing this game. Let's go. Come on.
Don't touch me. Don't
Don't do that.
me.
Don't do that.
Don't touch me. Don't touch
Sit
me. I
down.
want my bag. I want my bag. I want my bag.
Sit.
Don't touch me.
Sit
Don't
down.
Don't
All right.
touch me right now. Don't
Stop.
touch me right now. Don't touch me.
Oh, chill.
Don't touch me. I don't want to be touched.
Can I go where she's going?
My God, now
Back up. Back up.
fucking touched. I said I don't want to be fucking touched.
Take a seat over there. Just take a seat over there.
You. And I'm never gonna talk to you again. You're a bitch ass.
It doesn't matter. Whichever.
Yeah.
One of you guys come
Did
he hit you or who was it? Who'd you
No,
None of you
I
guys?
didn't hit anybody.
do that then.
I didn't hit anybody. Shut the fuck up. Get the fuck out of my face.
You talking to her right now? You're just gonna amp her up more.
What's wrong with her?
If you wanna, can you ride with them?
What?
They're gonna go to Boca.
Okay.
Ride with them.
She's drunk. You guys got paramedics.
Yeah, I mean,
She go from
we tried getting her up, and then she just started like hitting us. Like,
Okay.
really just
Hey,
hitting
it is
us,
what it
so-
is.
Is there? No, I don't know. What do you want me to tell you? I don't know yet.
she's drunk.
This is so fucking unfair. No, you wanna give me? I don't care about this. Give me.
I'm not doing this right now.
Give it to me. No.
Spit mask?
Don't tell your boss.
Do you have a spit mask? My car's over there, but. What's
I
up?
just want to leave me the f alone. I want to be here. Give me my fucking bag.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess you want me to do like a 10 for his car, or what do you think?
I don't. I think he parked somewhere else, but we can look around.
Anna was charged with battery on law enforcement as well as obstructing without violence. She pled not guilty on February 24th, and the judge dropped both charges.
That's good that they dropped the charges. She's drunk. She just was having a drunk night, man. You know what I'm saying? Pay a little fine. That's it, bro. Like, you know. But yeah, like when you go out with a man go out with a woman, man, and the woman like to drink, you know what I'm saying? And the guy like to drink too, you know what I'm saying? I like to drink. Come on now. Who don't like to drink? But when you in public, when you a little younger, it's different. Like if you like, I feel like if you like from like 21 to like 23-ish, maybe 24, you gonna be all over the place. But then after that, it's like, go out, have a good time, whatever, but don't get sloppy drunk. You know what I'm saying? Get nice buzzed, you know what I'm saying? Feel nice. But getting sloppy drunk outside, no. You know what I'm saying? Nah. That's not the move, man. But anyways, I think the officers did pretty well. I give them a 3 out of 5. I mean, it's nothing more that they could actually do. You know what I'm saying? So I think dealing with drunk people is just a headache, man. Yeah. Be dealing with drunk people is just a headache. Let me know how well you think the officer did in this situation. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.